Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Sunday and right now it's 1:35. We just made a quick trip to Costco. We got a very few things. I'm gonna show you guys that. Then after that my husband Shomo gonna cook lunch, chicken curry, and we'll have that with puri. So yeah. So you got milk, egg, these nuts, and this snack, steamed dumpling. Then I got this cake. Then we got this chicken. One of our friend recommended us. They said that it will taste just like we used to have in India, so we'll try that and let's do. So he's marinating the chicken with mustard oil, salt, and turmeric. That's it for 30 minutes. By the time I chopped all the veggies like onion, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and yeah. Then he poured mustard oil into the pan, and first he's gonna fry all the potatoes. Then he's adding whole jeera and crushed whole garam masala. Then he'll add onion. After sauteing for it for like 3-4 minutes, he'll add ginger garlic paste. Then he will add all the spices: turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder, and salt to taste. After that, he's gonna add the chopped tomatoes and let it cook for a minute. Then he'll add potatoes and the chicken, and yeah. Hey guys, I'm Frijita. Welcome to my channel. Today is Monday, May 19th, I think. Yeah, May 19th. Right now, I was editing vlog, but it was not sufficient footage to make a vlog. Yesterday, Shomo cooked lunch. Not lunch. She he made chicken curry, and so that's not the enough footage. So, and after that we watched a movie called Blackmail, and then I didn't vlog. So I'm continue vlogging today, and right now it's almost 1:30, 1:20 actually, p.m., and I'm gonna have my lunch, but before that I have to clean up this mess. Yep, it's 2 loads of laundry which I need to fold. I hate to do this. Out of all the chores I need to do, this is the thing which I hate the most, but I have to do anyways. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. After that, I'm going to make lunch. I'm gonna have lemon rice. I made this on Wednesday or Thursday night, and it came out so good. And so right now I'm gonna have that with the chicken he made yesterday. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. After that, not decided. So yeah, now bye for now. So in this laundry room, I kept this two bean boxes. This left side is for me and the right side is for Shomo, where I kept all our regular wear clothes. So yeah. Now I'm going to heat up my chicken curry, and I'm taking out some curry leaves for making the lemon rice. So first I already poured oil into the pan. Then I'm going to add mustard seed. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of chana dal, and I'll saute it for a minute, and then I'll add nuts and curry leaves. After that I'm going to add turmeric powder, and then I'll add the leftover rice, and then I'll add salt, and if you have lemon then you'll add lemon water. I had lime, so I'm gonna add lime water and salt to taste, and mixed it up, and it's ready. So yeah, now I'm going to have my lunch and I'm gonna watch Crime Patrol. I am totally addicted to this show. Let me know if you too like this show. And so yeah guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I love you guys all, and if you love to watch my videos and still you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do so. That will be awesome. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Mwah. Bye.